All right. As many of you know, on my current bike, I have a set of lights that look like this. It's a small LED light that works with the remote. Let's have a quick look at the remote. And the set of 4 lights with the remotes comes in at a certain price. The price is too much for a delivery bike, but the functionality is ideal. It's a flashing light that can do white, which is what we want, red possibly, or maybe a pink or a purple, even an orange and a green, all acceptable options. But the cost of 4 of these and a remote is too high. So I've given up on this light. This light is not for deliveries. I'm putting it away. And I've brought in this new light that I've been charging. You'll see that it's a very similar light, 2 LEDs, the same as the previous one. But it has a little minor difference over here. It has a button, no remote control. This is what the kit looks like. In a kit, you're going to get 2 stickers that let you stick this to your bike and an elastic. I don't like these elastics. They break. They're not great at all. This is the elastic here. So when I'm going to sell these, I'm replacing the elastics with these, much more robust, and I'll put a couple of extras in. So when you buy these, you'll get several elastic, including the originals, but the originals are not what I support. I don't like these at all. So let's briefly talk about this new light that's coming. This light is cheaper than the original because it doesn't have infrared, and you're going to be able to mount it in the same way with a sticker and a Velcro, and then use the elastic around any part of your bike that you like. Let's mount this one on my test frame like that. This could be on your frame in the front and the back. I'm going to be selling these individually. So if you want to buy 1, 2, or 3, the choice is yours. Where this original pack came with 4, and because it came with a remote, I had to sell them for 4. This I can sell 1, 2, or 4. And it has a button. I'm going to press the button and hold to switch it on, and immediately goes into modes. I can cycle the modes by pressing the button until I go through red, green, and blue, and then combinations of those 2 colors. So I can do anything I want. I click the button until I find the color and the mode that I'm interested in, and once I do, I leave it there. When I want to switch it off, I'll press and hold the button. The light will go off. When I press and hold the button again, it'll come back on. These lights have the same price for each one. They're on the catalog. You can choose them. They're available immediately, and you can buy 1, 2, 4 lights, 3 lights, whatever it is you want, at a much lower cost. But you're not getting a remote, and there's no infrared technology built into this unit. So that makes it cheaper. It means delivery drivers can now have this kind of light at a much lower cost, which is exactly what I was looking for. Let's finish off with a few of the different modes. Love it. This is a drone light.